Well, thank you very much for joining Super 24 TV. Mechamo Akwababa Super 24 TV on YouTube. Akrobeto Edinchimua, but the reason why for a very long time was stop pay say on the legend Agya Koo ebe acting. Or say a director, which is Nyameche and a man or advice ne say the way Agya Koo see picking sa onenu kutwa fama tambia Agya Koo ebe overshadow no nti for the best interest of the career growth no on stay away from Agya Koo edinchemu no ebai abrana owo precise FM Kumasi na omo tura no ma yenko na yenkotie ne nsempɔte Super 24 TV but also subscribe ya no subscribe no press the notification button isia edebebro. Thank you so much. Yenkotie Agya
Akrobeto, this is a message coming from Facebook. Somebody say, Akrobeto, to explain why Miracle Films warn you not to act with Agya Koo again.
Is it what?
Somebody is asking why Miracle warn you not to act with Agya Koo again.
This one to let me explain it in three.
Okay.
So that they can hear everything.
Okay.
Yes, I want me. Na Miracle no onimajuma no.
Someone Nyameche.
Masa. The whole Ghana no director. So far in some one yet star. It means there's something, yes. It me buy and who say me very good. The set time Agya Koo near Fanny King Kong. Or acting very good. Ghana now be agna too. A different be a bian, Momoka who be an Agya pe. Because he's doing well. Sabre Ghana filming on the Sunita. It miracle who says that me sit and me good no. Who say me good, but Snibby baby as a job more. You me. You me. Or not to the family think I remember how. It's your kind of quasi. Snibby a job minimum use me. Men yet. Until say, Ube Pejadu baby as you Pejadu. Because say job Munquandia benefiting none. You be major. Because a jar in the Kuta Ghana film. It will be a Kutos in a genim on top. It will be a so more obey than what pija. It will know the Orient not because he and in your film. And your bonnet quadro, but rather no or per se or to me pie. It will yen sa for some years no. Or no one can say because he say it will be your drew. A gentleman shadow view. Because bien him the jabaye obi enim ntino is a person into one that say mienu say yes ni e bom that time no bia hu say o sa Akrobeto ne de edi pejae etinye the money kwa so
oh nenye warning nenye futu
na make say onu no de me bae
yeah
etu no nim kwa no fa so peto de me ba etinye the money kwa so still no use Agya we use me but don't for mienu mum. But who said Majam na so no afford so such senior na me ni Agya and that's the secret.
Okay. But go to Facebook, like, share, and then drop your comment. As somebody drop the comment, go to Facebook, Precise FM 105.9. Last time you were seen holding you were seen at Legon with a PhD. Yeah. When did you obtain your PhD?
Private PhD.
Private?
Yeah.
Are you a criminal?
Not criminal.
You don't have private PhD.
I wonder you.
Yes.
Well, everything somebody created.
So yours, somebody created it.
My own. That's all.
Wow. So you created it?
Yeah, I created it.
What are you?
Do you pray?
Oh yes, I pray.
As compared to the time that you work, do you pray more than times that you work?
I pray just little.
Me
bomb pie to webi.
How?
Me papa could just have was about catch them. No crenso.
He being a pastor?
Yeah. What got my papa one can to no dumano and yet. Everybody need ye debeni pass. I'm telling you. And no time I talk about a juma. Not say them to bomb pie. One to time I won't say obey you.
Yeah.
But what I say?
I get it.
Yeah, you are the empower the bay, but I know. Very good. Obey what ten Yankupon, obey the Yankupon me, and Yamian come away. God is the one who created me.
Okay.
Share a more form of way in the Zako, a costume master. Even almost even 10 minutes crack. It was upon any thing I may have friend. I call a book to the mall. It's a human tele and a many pedi. You would in a me, you would in a pie. Would you say, but Trana Cassa? Nini pade, Nini pentio. Na precise and yakase. Satablo Babatowns, officers or intro, Aqua baby, Bompire. A Jumano Obian wa Davia will be on your diabetra. Any penty, na precise coffin, one eye.
Yeah.
Empire until maybe as a.
So you're advising the people that they should pray, but then it shouldn't be more than the word.
No! Pray, but intimate on for 2 hours travel just over Bompire. I did okay. God know everything already. Sabi, excuse me,
God listens to them.
So what's your problem?
Wow. So that is an advice.
100%.
Okay. You were seen on BBC and CNN.
Yeah.
Who connects you there?
But is it heaven?
To be at BBC?
No, is it heaven?
It's
on this earth.
It takes a big and a great work to be there.
That's your mind. It is on this earth. I didn't obey your dream, so be simple. To say the people say, Sanko from Bobo will be at the Diaba. We need you to me so mempre. Obi shall show them on Bompire. Them father a man. Easy. That's the word.
Okay. All right, you can also join us on Facebook. I'm going to play a song for Akrobeto. I'm going to play a song for him so that he do his check-ins, those ones that he'll be doing with the legs. So if you want to see Akrobeto doing the boogie things, go to Precise FM and then you see what is happening there. Akrobeto,
yes, sir.
This is your last advert. Dr. Tam Daso. Okay, no, do this one.
Sorry.
Yeah, do this one.
Should I go?
Yeah, you can go.
Dr. Foucault Eba Clinic. Specialists in the treatment of
Go to Facebook, Precise FM 105.9. Go to Facebook and see what is happening there.